Okay, what do you mean by CRM? Yesterday we have seen the part, right? Can anybody explain me what is CRM?
Customer relationship management, sir.
That is expansion or abbreviation of CRM. My question is, what is CRM? What is your understanding by customer relationship management? No understanding or what?
So that is the relationship between the customer and I mean, like between the customer and the
Company.
company, sir.
Very good, very good. The relationship between customer and company. Uh, Post 1990s, this topic has become hotspot. Before that, nobody cared about the CRM. Earlier, it was a product based business approach. If my product is having a quality, then people will be with me. That's what they understood. Okay, now the question is, if your product is having high level of quality, let us say it is giving customer delight, is it enough to maintain retain the customers with you? Yes or no? If your product is having high level of quality, is it enough to retain customers with you? What else could be needed? For example, if you take price, okay, if you take the case of Nokia, why Nokia disappeared from the market? In the year of 1998 to up to 2005, it is number one company in terms of uh, mobile phone. But if you look at other companies are occupying the place, and this company is seventh or eighth in terms of customer preference, right? So why all these things?
Customer needs a satisfaction.
Customer needs or keep on changing, company has to keep an eye on it, right? If that is the case if that is the case they need to maintain a proper customer relationship management. Correct. If you are maintaining the relationship in your customer in the right way, you can understand their needs and wants, right? You can easily listen to them. Yes or no? Because in 2005 it was an entry into Android market. Slowly the bar phones are going out, and the smartphones are coming in. At that time, Nokia said, no, our customers will be with us. The smartphone is not much useful compared to our bar phone, and we don't like to enter into Android market. Lifetime. So now what happens? The company which is ranked 10th in the year 2005, now it is number 2, 3. Unless you understand your people, your market, your customers, you cannot survive. So CRM helps as a tool. It helps to understand the market. Okay. Sir, how to maintain manage CRM? There are many softwares available, but basically you should collect, sort, analyze, and store the customer information and use it whenever you need. For example, every company would celebrate a best employee of the year, correct? In the same way, why not a best customer of the year? Somebody who purchased more, or somebody who satisfied more. So these are all things to ponder. Need of CRM. It provides better service to customers and explain their needs to the organization through numerous contact points. Customer get increased satisfaction of feeling special and important because of increased personalization of services and customization of goods. So again, the point is to understand your consumer. So it is better to communicate with them. You can see any product, they will have a customer care number. Why? You take any product, when a 3 rupees biscuit packet, the back side, the customer care number is available. For example, you see here what ICICI does. It maintains a list of priority customers and provide them with additional facilities, special offers like free ticket to concerts, movies, and so on. Yesterday I told you, no, the bank has to do a CRM activity. So ICICI it is doing in a different way. Customization of market offerings. So try to customize your product. The pizza example which I given in the last class. It's not just a pizza. It will also, when it is taking order from you, it is getting additional information like what is to be added and what topping should be given, or whether it should be given to you in a contactless delivery, or all those things. So customize your offerings. If you are not able to customize, the customers will go to other people. So how to know the customization? Talk to your customer. Reduction in customer defection rate. It refers to customer defection rate. It refers to customer complaints. So you want to reduce the compliance rate, you must give the quality of the product. What is quality? That will be defined by the customer. Correct? Increase and improvement in long-term relationship. The customer relationship management helps you to retain the customer for long term. Yesterday, the banker example which I have given. When the banker is having a personal touch, the clients will not move that easily. Increase in customer equity. Firms focus the marketing efforts more on the most valuable customer. The main aim of CRM is to produce high customer equity. Customer equity is the sum of lifetime values of all customers. More focus on most valuable customer will enable a firm to increase the customer equity. Find out this valuable customer. Yesterday, the bank example, again, I mentioned the same. Who are all valuable customers who have taken the maximum loan and paying it in time, and who has deposited the maximum amount in the bank and getting the interest. These two vertical is your most valuable customers. Understood? So CRM will increase the customer base because a satisfied customer will bring you more. Competitive advantage. When a company is practicing CRM and the other company is not practicing CRM, the company which is practicing CRM is getting a competitive advantage. Whatever the amount is spent on CRM, don't worry, you will get a multi-bagger. Okay, it will pay you in a fatty check. Building and maintaining a corporate image. The loyal customers become evangelists, your angel. Okay, they spread a good word about your company, and your company will grow based on that. So CRM enables the way. Because imagine without CRM, how the company would survive. You purchase a product, you use it, it was good at quality. What happens after a few years? You forget about the company. Yes or no? For this purpose, a CRM can be maintained through advertisement or personal contact with the customer. Any methodology you follow it is fine. Higher return on investment, this I already explained. Okay, techniques of building CRM. How to build a CRM application? Number one is building a data warehouse. The customer information about the customer address, earnings, date of birth, a previous purchase, whether he is a regular customer or occasional person. So all those information stored in the database. And very simple. Um, the dressing showrooms in Chennai, they will used to send this festival offers, right? And sometimes they used to wish you in your birthday also. Correct? So that's a type of CRM again. If they don't do, then market will go away. And they will simply say that, sir, this offers is applicable only for you because since it is your birthday today, we want you to celebrate in a grand manner. So visit our outlet, you can claim 55% off. It's a customized CRM, customized offer, which can definitely get the customer in. The customer data, even it also includes the customer feedback and the complaint as well. Based on that, what can you do? Product design and modification that you can do. Product pricing you can change. Promotional mix you can change based on whatever customer is telling. Selection of channels of distribution that you can change. Maintaining dealer relationships, all those things can be decided by CRM. Any doubts you are having in CRM, now you can ask. The session is open for a discussion. Any doubt? Clear? Great. There is no doubts. We will see some best examples of CRM. See, deliver live assistance to boost customer engagement. And it is there with every site, correct? May help you. In this website also you see that there is somebody. Welcome to Review Chat. How can I help you today? So this will engage your customer. Because once you get into any service sector industry website, he may be having a little confusion what to choose, what not to choose. This may help you, or chat with this area will definitely help. That's what they're talking about. Deliver live assistance to boost engagement. Have an omni-channel presence. Means you establish present in multiple ways. You try to present in mobile, you try to present online, you try to present, let us say, area-wise. Okay, that is another example of CR. You can take these telecom operators. They have office at every area, the customer point, every area. What is the reason? To maintain CRM only, nothing else. Understood? To maintain CRM. Okay, automate customer support. Don't keep it manually. Some questions you can automate, right? Some questions you can automate. You no need to appoint a person to answer every question. Some FAQs you can automate. Let me check out. I can show you something on that. I'll send a chat bot here just to want to show it to you. Yes, see here, CUB CAT. Every service industry will have a customer relation officer. I'm not finding a chat bot here. Okay, this is how it works. Some automated chatbots would help you to find out the FAQs. For example, what is the regular timing of the bank? What are the different products available? If you are not able to source that through the website, you can ask the chatbot. That is automated customer support point of view. Continuous marketing management, engagement, continuous marketing engagement. Unless you engage people, they will go away. That's why when we send mail to a customer care, automated mail comes back mentioning that we have received your query. Within 48 hours, we will revert. Or once the purchase is made, ask for reviews. Analyze the customer database. Try to see whether you can cross sell or upsell any product. What is cross selling? Can anybody explain what is cross selling? Cross selling தெரியுமா? For example, you are an insurance agent and you are meeting a stockbroker. So you are going to sell your insurance product, but the other guy is going to sell his demat or any investment advisory services. Correct? So you go for one thing, he comes for another thing. Or you also identifies that he need a credit card. You are an insurance agent, you go and talk to the customer, you identify that he is a need for a credit card. So what happens now? You you refer a friend who is selling a credit card, you get some commission. So using one customer, you do a multiple business, or you give business to each other. The buyer and seller give business to each other. Got the understanding? Let us move on to the next thing. Customer loyalty programs. So usually, to engage the customer, the loyalty points is converted into either cashback or a free movie ticket, something like that. Request for referral. Every company today, if you open the application, it will have an area. Refer and earn. Correct? Request for referral. Use social media for customer service. Have a page in Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. So that you can engage people. You can get complaints, that is okay, but listen to it and get it clarified. For example, recently I have seen the advertisement about a stock market class which is happening live. Um, so one guy replied to the company mentioning that I am going to pay you because you replied everybody's query. See, this is what customer engagement. If you look at the Facebook post, many queries are unanswered. So when the query is unanswered, even though it is 100 rupees, how can I pay and trust you? So improve your conversion rates. Sorry, use the social media for improving the customer service. When a customer gives a positive feedback like this, it will definitely create 10 more customers. Improve your conversion rates. Giving offers like this might improve the conversion rate. For example, you became a customer and it is 100th day with our application. So you can buy this at a nominal rate. Increase your customer satisfaction. So look at this message. Some services happen. So after that, you are asking the customer to take a small survey. And after the survey, you can do a small referral to your friends or any family people that will help for a bigger conversion in business. Develop a strong brand image. Let people talk about your brand. That's it. Will take the attendance. When I note